How does a car accident lawyer respond? After your car accident, a car accident lawyer can assemble data from the accident, offer you legitimate guidance, haggle with insurance agency, and assist you with chasing after pay for your misfortunes, so you can recuperate from it and return to your ordinary daily schedule. Car accidents can be horrible for the people in question. From gashes and injuries to horrible mind wounds and broken bones, casualties might experience a scope of serious wounds, some of which might require half a month and great many dollars in clinical and rehabilitative medicines. Harder still is the passing of a friend or family member in a car accident. After an accident, recuperation ought to be vital. Be that as it may, when you are all right, you may likewise need to think about looking for help from a car accident lawyer. On top of the physical and profound weight from the car accident, you might experience monetary difficulty as you manage doctor's visit expenses, vehicle fix or substitution expenses, and lost compensation. From speed cutoff points to occupied driving regulations, state and governmentally authorized measures advance security and forestall crashes. Regardless, crashes are a typical issue all through the U.S. As per the Public Roadway Traffic Security Organization, NHTSA, projections show that 36,120 individuals passed on in car accidents last year. At the point when somebody defies nearby or government transit regulations or drives carelessly or recklessly, they ought to confront the ramifications for their activities. This can incorporate traffic tickets, permit suspension, charges, and even prison time, contingent upon the offense and damage caused. They may likewise be answerable for remunerating the people in question. In the event that the responsible party is safeguarded and their insurance agency covers the occurrence's misfortunes, then, at that point, it might pay the casualty for misfortunes, for example, hospital expenses and property harm. Be that as it may, assuming that they are underinsured, uninsured, or their protection supplier's payout is lacking, a casualty might wish to document an individual physical issue claim. How a car accident lawyer can help. Car accident lawyers can be a significant asset in any of the above conditions, as chasing after monetary honors for your misfortunes can be a muddled undertaking. To begin with, the casualty should demonstrate who caused the accident and lay out the arrangement of occasions and conditions that added to the accident. They will likewise have to assemble proof to help their cases, which might incorporate observer accounts, police reports, clinical reports, and receipts for fixes. The offended party may likewise have to speak with insurance agency and the other party or its legitimate agent. While some private injury suits resolve with a settlement, taking a case to common court is now and then important. A car accident lawyer can help you with directing an examination, auditing police reports and clinical records, and assembling observer declarations, exhibiting the conditions encompassing the accident, as well as the arrangement of occasions paving the way to it. It was to blame to demonstrate who, building a case in light of the subtleties of the episode, laying out a system to look for pay for your sake, speaking with insurance agency, lawyers, and other involved parties for your benefit, addressing you in dealings or an official courtroom, if essential, keeping you refreshed in the interim and address any worries or questions you have. A few cases might be more challenging to explore than others, similar to accidents including rideshare organizations, business trucks, public transportation, and disinfection vehicles. In any of these conditions, there might be more than one obligated party, or the at-risk party might be an enterprise or city or state government. A car accident lawyer can assist with guaranteeing you submit to the significant methodology with regards to managing these sorts of gatherings. Legal time limit. Each state has legal time limits that set cutoff times for offended parties to document claims against another party, as the Lawful Data Establishment (AIA) characterizes it. The legal time limit fluctuates relying upon your area and the party against whom you are bringing a case. For instance, the legal time limit to bring a suit against another non-military personnel might be a few years, though you might have just a half year to bring a suit against a neighborhood government. The legal time limit isn't equivalent to the time span inside which you ought to record a protection guarantee. You ought to constantly document a case, or if nothing else, inform your insurance agency straight away. A few suppliers indicate you should tell them inside a sensible time for your case to be legitimate. Once more, these times might shift across states. Misfortunes related with car accidents. Car collisions can bring about various misfortunes. This can go from an added up to vehicle to crippling actual wounds, as well as close to home agony and enduring, including tension and post-horrible pressure. A car accident lawyer can assist you with distinguishing every one of the misfortunes you have endured and what kind of remuneration you might be qualified to seek after. You might get remuneration for the accompanying after your car accident. Cost to fix or supplant property. Cost of current or sensibly expected doctor's visit expenses. Lost compensation for the time you missed in view of your wounds. Decreased procuring limit assuming your wounds were so serious you can't get back to your past position. Profound agony and pain. Loss of consortium. Memorial service and interment costs. If a friend or family member kicked the bucket because of their wounds, get in touch with us today. On the off chance that you or a relative has endured because of another party's crazy or careless driving, a car accident lawyer might have the option to help. Looking for monetary honors for your wounds, agony, and enduring, and different misfortunes might assist you with staying away from additional difficulty and continue on with your own personal business quicker.